Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my steamed cabbage with mixed veg. So I have my frying pan here, and inside of it is some coconut oil. So here I have a half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green onion, and about 4 spring of thyme, which I just took off. So put this in here like that. Stir it around like that, and I love the smell of onion, like not onion but garlic. So let that flavor up the water, the oil. Okay, and then when you do cabbage, you turn your stove up a notch, because cabbage do get a lot of water. So this is about a half of a cabbage. Cabbage spring a lot of water. Like so. And then I'm going to turn this around. Let the cabbage get coated with the oil, the seasoning from the oil, from the onion and the garlic. Like I said, keep your flame on high. So the more the cabbage coat, the water gets to evaporate, and leave it open, because if you close this pot now, all that steam and everything is just going to give you more water. Then it gets soggy and you can't eat it. Okay, so here it is like that. And now cabbage, back in the days, I remember cabbage being fully green, nice color and everything. Now they're just white. You can't find a good cabbage now these days. So because I want mine to have some color, I'm gonna have to go ahead now and I'm going to season my cabbage. Can't eat it like this. This have no flavor, no taste, no nothing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning in. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add this Mrs. Dash. I'm just going to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I'm also going to add some of my Jamaican seasoning in here. You guys know what that one look like. It's going to give it some color, okay? Some color. Now I'm going to mix this up. We call it steamed cabbage. I love cabbage, but like I say, you cannot get good cabbage lately. I don't know why. And I love for my cabbage to have taste and flavor. See, it's getting a little bit wilted, and I cut them small also. And you can still see there is, if I didn't have my flame on high, excuse me, like water is trying to gather up in there. So that's why I say leave your flame on high, so that you don't have to deal with all that water. I'm gonna let that go ahead and simmer for a little bit, for about maybe 5 minutes uncovered. Leave it open like this because I don't want too much water, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So it's still going, still no water, just how I like it. Okay, so what I am going to do now is add my frozen veggies. Now I have to be careful because, as you can see, I still have water in this, so I'm gonna have to spoon this out. I still have some more, and it still have some water. So I'm just gonna, like I said, I have to be careful because I don't want too much water. Toss it to the side, let that water run off. Bring the veggies up this side, let that water run off. Okay. Now I'm just gonna stir this in. I'm starting to get a little burn spots. That's fine, because this pot is like that. I don't. Okay, so there you go. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty, perfect. I'm going to taste this for salt, especially salt. I don't want it to be too salty because the veggie is just a side dish. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to add any salt. This is Kerrygold butter. This is 8 ounce, and I'm going to add about a good little nub of butter to it. And this is salted butter. If it was on, that's why I said I'm not going to add any more salt, because this butter is already salted. So I'm just going to add about that much. And I'm going to cut this back in half like that. Let me see if I'm going to add any more. Yeah guys, it's quick and easy. No probably say, I'm tired. I'm tired. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday. They're on the road all day. Today I'm back in here, so I'm back on the scene. Not with the gangster lean, but I'm back on the scene. So yeah, this is my steamed cabbage. Me always say vegetable. My steamed cabbage, and can see how little water right there. So you see that? Look. You see that? I don't know if I water or if I butter, but whatever it is, I move my finger. But whatever it is, see all of that? It's it's good. Good. So let me taste it right now. Let me get my fork, spoon, get a little bit of everything and taste. Oh my. I'm not going to toot my own hand, but I'm going to toot it. Toot. Alright. So, perfect. Oh my god. Perfect. So, guys, this is my steamed cabbage with mixed veg, and I'm gonna pull it back, look a bit. Yeah, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe, and until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my video, and please turn on your bell notification so every time I upload a video you will know that I'm back in the kitchen and I'm doing another fantastic dish. And then until next time, you guys, please enjoy. Bye.